merge requests, redeployments, and all the other stuff that I'm doing in order to scale my local online business into an international platform. Today, I'm going to show you some tricks and tips how I am working if I'm on the go, what's my cockpit setup from a car that I'm going to drive through the Alps tomorrow. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to travel from Budapest all the way to Zurich through the Alps, and I'm going to trade, create videos, and scale my local online business into an international one while I am driving and doing other stuff. In today's world, it's all possible through AI agents. From tomorrow on, I will create these videos and it's going to be much more interesting than these, desk setups. Also, I'm going to show you how I am creating videos in every language that I'm building my platform on. I've already created one video that I could translate into multiple languages, so I can sound like this. Sanki tarih yazıyoruz. Yapay zeka çağında sizlere finansal piyasalar. For example, this is a Turkish version, but there is also Italian version and so on and so forth. It's crazy. You can create one video in one language. I recommend it in English, and then you can use AI to translate it to every language. Also, it's very important that you follow me on X. I will do my best to post as much as possible. Right now we have 81 followers. Right now our website is here and working, and I copy every single step from my current existing model into Wigner Capital. This website has also an application, an Android and an iOS native app. We have dashboard, we have here a lot of aggregated information. For example, the smart alerts. We have our own automated news portal that is collecting news from the web and creates its own articles. We have the smart alerts, which is scraping the web and looks for interesting updates in geopolitics, in crypto, and of course in macroeconomics. It's very important that we have to copy all of this into Wigner Capital. But right now I'm at the point where I have to create videos in multiple languages. So if a user from Spain pushes this button, chooses his language, everything has to be picture perfect. Also the videos. To that, I'm using Rusk AI. In Rusk AI, I can connect existing YouTube videos. If I go to new translation, I can paste my YouTube video link in here, so it can translate the video into every language that I want. Also, it's possible to have the so-called lip sync function. Lip sync means that every single word that you're saying will be connected to the movements of your mouth, which is crazy because it's very, very accurate. Given the fact that I have 29,000 subscribers on YouTube and 618 videos, it's great to have this function, but you can also upload the video here. Just drag and drop your file. After it has synced everything into its system, you can do the translation with the lip sync. Very important that you don't forget the lip sync, because I converted about 5 videos after I have seen, I forgot the lip sync, which cost me like 150 euros. Very important. This software is not cheap, but it is very effective if you want to create great content in languages that you don't speak. Me personally, I speak English. I can speak German very well. So German and English and Hungarian are very smooth in my case. But if you do not speak these languages, I would definitely choose this one. As an alternative, you can choose HeyGen or 11 Labs. These two are also great, but for me, Rusk AI was the first choice. After I created the translations, I uploaded every single video in every single language onto one YouTube channel. Why? Because if I want to paste these videos onto my website, I always use the YouTube links, so it looks like this. I will use the YouTube links on Wigner Capital, so if you push onto a YouTube video, it will have a nice touch to it. Also, it's great to have YouTube as a host of your videos, because if there's a great video, you can just put it into a public view and other people can find you and find your product. This is why I'm using YouTube as my main source, and this is why I'm using Rusk AI to translate every single video, so I can use the embed links and put my videos onto my website in every single language. So that's what I have done in order to translate my videos. What I did was in these videos is to clarify that I do not speak these languages. That's why I created the introduction video where I said that this is a social experiment. I do not speak Japanese. I do not speak Spanish. Why? Because it's very important that you stay authentic. People do not like people who are not authentic, who are lying or trying to fake stuff. You have to be real. And this is why I did this public build, because I want to show you everything, guys, that yeah, I can speak English, I can speak German, I can speak Hungarian, I can speak French a little bit, but I won't be acting like I could speak Spanish or Portuguese or other languages. That's why people know if they are buying something from you that you created everything with AI. And yeah, there are some languages that you are speaking, but the main thing is that your knowledge is on point and that you're authentic. So this is how it's going to be built up. The introduction video will be right here. So people, if they come to my website, will see, okay, it's a nice, interesting social experiment. There is proof that it is working. This guy has already made something happen, in his country. Why can't I just, use his knowledge, try it out and see if it works? And if it works and they see value in it, they will pay for it. This is how it is. You create value out of the thin air. Why? Because your knowledge can be monetized in this way. And to me, this is very interesting because I do trade on the financial markets. I do create analysis in one language, in two languages, but with AI, I can scale it into 1,000 different areas, which is crazy. So the next one, the remote control stuff. Claude has made it possible that you can remotely control your sessions. But to that, you need to have a computer running at home, or you can buy what? You can buy virtual servers. To that, I can definitely the company Hetzner, where you can buy a so-called VPS, virtual server, where you can install your Cloud Code on, and you can access every single Cloud Code session on a VPS. It means after you have bought the VPS, you can run these agents on them, so you can access them from your phone while you are traveling and not sitting in front of the computer. To that, I am always planning out my development tasks. So tomorrow I would like to work on the landing page. I would like to work on this and this function in order to plan my developments while I am traveling, so I can do something else, but my website is built up. I can talk to Cloud Code how I should plan the next days, and it will tell me, it will give me the briefs, so I can start the VPS, I can start the Cloud Code agents there, and I can remotely control them, and they know everything what to do. It's like delegated work. If you had like a gardener that is doing your garden while you are away, it's crazy. And you can just, talk to Cloud Code from your phone. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow, because I'm going to travel with my car and I'm going to have my agents running behind me. And the only thing I have to do is just control what they did and redeploy the developments onto my server, and the website is better than before. That's how easy it is. My workflow in a nutshell: I start my Cloud Code agents on the VPS. I give them the right to bypass permissions, dangerously bypass permissions, and sometimes I give them remote control prompts so I can access them from my Cloud application from my phone. So this would be my setup for the next days. I'm going to plan every single development up front, and while I'm twisting and turning on the mountains in the ops, I'm going to just watch my phone sometimes and push OK. When I'm stopping by, I can maybe redeploy something on my server, and that's it. I can do much more while I'm not doing anything really. Thank you for your attention, guys. In the next video, I will see you from the ops from my car, and I will show you my setup in real time. I cannot wait for it. And I will show you some other tips and tricks how I'm going to scale my online business into an international one. To that, you can follow me on X and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Take care. Bye-bye.